Hello everybody and welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a 2013 Haas Super Mini Mill. This machine has a 40 taper, 24 station side mount automatic tool changer. It has a 10,000 RPM spindle. It has a 40 by 14 inch table. I'll list more specs in the description below so we can go ahead and take a look at this machine. Well, there you all have it, the Haas Super Mini Mill. If you have any more questions at all, go ahead and call us at 909-919-9600, or you can jump over to our website. It's www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time.